Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to quickly filter and analyze your data in Google Sheets without having to mess with complicated formulas or sort functions, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Today I'm showing you how to use the slicer tool in Google Sheets, what it does, how it works, and most importantly, how you can add one to your own spreadsheet in just a few easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to slice and dice your data with confidence, making your spreadsheets far more interactive and user-friendly. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you already have some data ready in your Google Sheet. Maybe it's a sales report, an inventory list, or even just a set of responses you gathered from a survey. Whatever it is, having your data organized in columns and rows is key. Think of your spreadsheet as the pizza, and the slicer as the tool that lets you serve up just the pieces you want. Now start by selecting and highlighting the data range you want the slicer to analyze. This is important because Google Sheets needs to know what section of your spreadsheet should be filtered. To do this, just click and drag your mouse over the relevant cells. Don't worry if you select an extra row or two, it's easy to adjust if you need to. Once your data is highlighted, head up to the menu bar at the top and click on Data. In the dropdown, you'll see an option labeled Slicer. Go ahead and select that. This tells Google Sheets you're ready to add a slicer, and you'll see a little filter box pop up, usually on the right side of your sheet. It might take a second to appear, so don't stress if it's not instant. In the panel that appears, you'll notice two important sections, Data Range and Column. The data range is essentially the set of cells you highlighted. It's where you're telling Google Sheets to look for data that can be filtered. If you ever need to adjust which cells are included, you can easily click into this area and change it. Next, you'll want to set up which column your slicer will filter. This is where the magic happens. Click on Column and you'll see a list of all the column headers from your data. Choose one that makes sense for your analysis. For example, if you want to filter your data by region, select the Region column. Or if you're interested in seeing data from specific months, choose the Date column. Imagine you work in sales and want to quickly view only one product's details. With a slicer, you can do that in seconds just by changing the filter. Once your slicer is created, you'll see it sitting on your sheet. It'll say All by default. This means no filter is applied yet. To start filtering, simply click on the All dropdown inside the slicer box. You'll see a list of all available options from your chosen column, like different products, dates, or regions. Select the ones you're interested in, and your data below will automatically update, showing you only the rows that match your choice. It's a fantastic way to explore different views of your data without losing the bigger picture. And that's really all there is to it. Slicers are a simple but powerful tool for making your Google Sheets interactively filterable, which is super handy for team reports or dashboard-style sheets. Don't worry if it feels a bit new at first. With a little practice, you'll be slicing and dicing like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and feel free to drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical and easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy slicing.